manual address entry is still a major source of checkout friction. When sites don't support features like auto detection or smart suggestions, the result is a slower, more error-prone checkout. Let's look at where this goes wrong and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 561 of Baymard's original large-scale usability test findings. Autodetect city and state immediately after zip code is provided. Typing into form fields is one of users' least favorite parts of online shopping. For example, at Williams-Sonoma and Fitbit, users must manually enter their full address, which is both time-consuming and increases the chance of errors. Even when done correctly, the amount of data entry required can feel exhausting. In Baymard's large-scale UX testing, fully automatic address lookup was the most effective and efficient way to reduce the burden of entering address information. However, it's not always feasible to implement in all cases or regions. When fully automatic address lookup isn't available, a good alternative is to autofill city and state after users enter the final digit of their zip or postal code. This approach cuts down the required input to just address line 1 and the zip code, making the process much quicker and easier. Many users, like this user during our testing, now expect city and state fields to autofill after entering their zip code. We observed 4 key UX details that are crucial for delivering a high-performing zip code auto-detection experience. Placing city and state fields below the zip code breaks the traditional address sequence for US users, but the downside is minimal. In testing, the gains in speed, efficiency, and reduced typing errors far outweighed any confusion from the unconventional order. While auto-detecting city and state helps most users, it's not foolproof and can occasionally fail. That's why a manual override should always be available, allowing users to correct or adjust the auto-detected information if needed. During testing, issues arose when auto-detection waited for users to leave the zip code field before displaying the city and state. Instead, the detection should trigger immediately once enough characters are entered. For example, at Walmart, the city and state appear as soon as the 5th digit of the zip code is typed, providing immediate feedback and a smoother experience. If users have already entered a zip code earlier in the flow, it should be automatically pre-filled in later steps. For example, Home Depot autofills the zip code after it's been used to check delivery availability. Just as importantly, users are also given a link to change the zip code if needed, an essential fallback when pre-filling. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. Our research catalog includes over 120 guidelines with detailed insights on optimizing your checkout. Go to baymard.com/product to learn more.